Hi everyone, welcome to this extremely important video. Well, let's get this question answered. Should I as an individual own a credit card? Yes. Well, please watch this video till the very end and don't go home with half the knowledge and try to apply the same. I'll keep this video as short as possible and cover all the important points. Now, let's go through some of the benefits of using a credit card. Firstly, the grace period. When you make a debit card purchase, your money is gone right away. When you make a credit card purchase, your money remains in your saving account until you pay your credit card bill, which is usually 45 days. Imagine if someone, out of the goodness of their heart, were to give you some money and want it back only after 2 months. You could use this free money to do whatever you wanted, spend it as you wish, while your own money sat tight in your account and earned interest. 2 months later, you pay them back. What did you gain? 2 months of interest. What have you lost? Nothing. Well, that's exactly what a credit card does every single month. While the amount gained might be low, it is a low hanging fruit with no effort required on your end. Secondly, cashback. This depends on the type of card and the sector you use the same. For example, online shopping, flight or hotel bookings, and so on. Next, we have reward points. So every time you pay, you get rewards, and the same can be redeemed against cash. As you can see, last year I redeemed around 1500 against the points I aggregated. Moving on to credit score. CIBIL score simply means if you have the ability to pay back the money. Now, you don't really need only a credit card for this. Any loan you've taken and paid on time, it'll reflect in your CIBIL score. You also get launch access at the airport, and some cards also include an insurance. Well, this is my HDFC card favorite, milestone benefit. You spend 50,000 in 3 months and you get INR 500 worth gift voucher. You can select which website you want to use the same. Before I go on any further, let me talk a little more about credit score. Well, here is my score, and factors that are used to finalize this score would include payment history. As you see, in the previous years, I have not missed paying one single month. Credit utilization. This is a percentage of your credit limit. Say you have a limit of 1 lakh and you use 50,000, that's 50%, which is actually very high. Try to keep this percentage as low as 5 to 10%. Next, we have age and total number of accounts. You don't really need many credit cards unless you are super wealthy, or else you may not be able to fulfill each credit card's criteria for its annual fee to be waived off. And remember, banks reserve the right to include your name in the list of defaulters if you don't pay on time. Now, is there a catch? Yes. These cards push you to buy unwanted products. You see some discount, you buy the product, even if you cannot afford the same. Promotes insane spending habits. You end up buying liabilities, massive interest rates. This rate is calculated monthly. So if you add up, it will be 42% for 12 months plus some fine and taxes. Therefore, we should always pay the total amount due. Number of credit cards. Say you have two cards, but you don't spend even 1 lakh in a year. The second card may be chargeable and you won't be able to fulfill all the terms to waive its annual fee. And lastly, credit cards won't make you a millionaire. Don't buy something so you'll get some extra cashback or points. It should be incidental and added benefits. And if you think you may not be able to pay your credit card bill on time, you might as well not opt for a credit card.